Hello, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening. Welcome to the free business effective courses, which are directly from the teachings of multi-millionaires. Welcome to Session 1. Session 1. Speed is king. Speed is everything. No speed and your business fails. You need to be quick and get things done today. Speed will help you get things done quickly. Always produce products and services without compromising on the quality. The faster you produce, the faster you make money. The faster you are, the less likely your business will fail. Going to the next point. Business is nothing else than money flowing in. Cash should be flowing in more than it should be flowing out. Spend minimum. You own a business if you are getting paid. As a business, your primary concern is always taking money before you spend money. Money in a business, money in is a business, not money out. When you have lots of money in your business, you fix problems and start spending on costs, etc. You do not need anything until people start giving you money. Money in is a business. Money out is vanity. First question you should ask yourself when you start a business is, where is the money? How are you going to get paid? How can people pay you, and how you can convince them to do that. Going to the next slide. Next point is, start ideas for free. You can start businesses very cheaply if you do it the right way. For example, you might want to open a bicycle shop. It would be better to open it online than physically via a store. You would then save on costs that you would have incurred. Start companies as cheaply as possible and even for free whenever you can. You will get money in much quickly, and because you are a fast industrious worker, referring to the first point, speed is king, you will produce what needs to be produced for the clients. Worst case, you refund them if your idea or business fails. You can test the viability of your plan and do not invest a lot of personal money. And going to the next point is, work with family you trust. Hire young family members to do business with you. Young people most of the time have nothing to lose. Hire people who live for free. Normally, young people nowadays know about business and tech more than you do. Work with family whenever possible. You can pool your resources together and can make money. And the last point of session 1 is, command respect. Speak with certainty. Exercise and dress respectably. Eat healthy foods that nourish your body. Be disciplined and dedicated. That is the end. See you in the next session. Goodbye.